Hi everyone, I'm Orgo, and this video I'll properly explain you why keyword strategy is so essential for every local business. Today I'll fully explain you and step-by-step guide, then you can understand why keyword strategy is essential. Today I'm use spec tool like SEMrush. You can use another SEO tool like Mod, Oversuggest. Then another SEO is depend on you. Okay, then let's dive in. I'm already searching SEMrush search bar cleaning service Chicago. This is my main keyword. You can call root seed. Okay, then scroll down. If I wanna search cleaning service Chicago or is depend on your business, then search and scroll down and click keyword strategy view or cluster. View or cluster means keyword strategy means you can get topics, pillar and sub page automatically. You can show here. Okay, that means you are covering all topic and beat your competitor easily. Okay, then let's type in. I'm go to the other page. When you click this page, it takes few times and then open this dashboard. Okay, this is keyword strategy builder. Cleaning service Chicago. This is my main keywords. And look at this topical overview. Step by step explain. Just wait and listen. Scroll down and look at this. All page 61. That means we can create 61 page about cleaning service Chicago. That means this is our main pillar page, but we can sub page then types of cleaning service like deep cleaning service, move in, move out cleaning service, windows cleaning service, commercial, house, office, step types of cleaning service. But understand, okay, look at this. I'm click best for strategy because we need keyword strategy. That's why. Okay, when I click best for strategy, then look at this topics. Specialized cleaning service total volume 48,940. Average KD 23.16. KD is not important. KD means keyword difficulty. Nowadays, it's not matter difficulty competitive level. It's need your content is quality or not quality. It's depend on your content. You provide quality content, not quantity, then you can easily beat your competitor and rank your page means service. Okay, and look at this pillar page. Made service as in Chicago. This is the pillar page means your main page specific service page name like made service is in Chicago. When you create this name types of pages, then this is the sub pages. Okay, I wanna click made services in Chicago. Look at this. You can use these all keywords. Made service Chicago, Chicago residential cleaning company Chicago, cleaning service Chicago, cleaning Chicago. More keywords. When you research more, then more get result, more keywords. Okay. When I click made service in Chicago, look at this summary for 30 keywords. Volume 38.4. That not matter. Total volume 828.3K. Topic minimum 7835. Primary intent commercial. Yeah, because basically we are providing cleaning service. That means cleaning service. This is service related keyword. That's why it's commercial intent. Okay. SLP future is not important. Okay. This is our competitor and content reference is not we are don't see this just for this is our main not main means pillar page just made service in Chicago, and you see this old keyword and understand which keyword is relevant and which keyword is important for your made cleaning in Chicago pages. Select all keyword which are important, then go to the sheet and add all keywords. Okay, and I click it, Augusta Brown, and subpages. Same-day cleaning, Chicago. Post-construction cleaning, Chicago. Coach cleaning service, Chicago. Carpet cleaning was Chicago. That means is the pillar page and subpage. Suppose I'll explain. Okay, when I search winning service Nashville, Texas, scroll down and go to the any website. Then I'll properly step by step explain. Okay. Hmm. Okay, if I click Ringtone House Cleaning, if I go to this website, I think no. I'm going to the another website, then I can properly explain you. Okay. Molimate.com. I'm going to this website. It's take me a few times for cloud and security specifications. Okay. Look at this just. The URL is just at first follow molimate.com. This is the website URL and this is the locations Texas Meshfield. What I search? I search cleaning service, cleaning service Meshfield, Texas. And if I go to the website, like I'm go to the any mm, okay. If I touch on residential, look at this. Recurrent cleaning, apartment and court cleaning, eco-friendly cleaning. That means this is the pillar page. Pillar and this is the sub pillar. Look at this sub pages, sorry, not pillar. This is a pillar, like residential is a pillar, and recurring cleaning, apartment and court cleaning, this is the sub pages. I think you understand. If I click residential, okay, look at this just on the type. Okay, types of home cleaning, move out, wood cleaning, reclining cleaning, one times clean, move out clean. That means this website covering all topic, covering topic. Like, and this is your computer. Like, this is my competitor. Then how I beat him? Because suppose his website have authorities, more authorities like 10, 12, 15. That means it's attribute. No, because nowadays, oh, and suppose right now I think I am customer. I need cleaning service. Like I need cleaning for I need move out cleaning. Then I'm go to the Google and search move out cleaning service plus locations. If I cover this related topics, means select all keywords and this related cover topic, create pages and add content, quality content, then I'm automatically rank and with my computer because I'm covering full topics. Add benefit, non-benefit, what issues, then features, everything style covering this topic step by step and create specific page. Made service in Chicago, like this website, this is the pillar page and this is the sub page. Covering specific pages when I covering, then it's possibility to rank quickly and with my computers. And it's for like most of the client search in Google, like this types cleaning service Chicago. It's a normal casual keywords and it's very competitive. No, most of the client not search this main keyword. They need specific problem, like they need deep cleaning service related problem. That's why they are searching deep cleaning service in Chicago or near me. When we are covering all topic, then we can easily rank near me keywords. I think you understand why keyword strategy is essential. At first, go to the same brush. If you don't compromise and not be complicated, then go to the any tools like SEMrush and search your main keywords keyword like cleaning service Chicago. The scroll and go to the viewer clusters keyword strategy and then look at this just best strategy made service in Chicago, and then this is the sub pages, this is the pillar pages, and look at this move out cleaning Chicago, and then green cleaning company, move and then move out cleaning Chicago, clean service packages, every topics when you cover, move and understand this website is quality, this website content is quality, the trust, Google trust, and it increase your authority, and then on your specific customer search on Google, then your content in show summary related, like they are almost the client are searching specific question related keyword, then summarize your contents in small areas the AI overview. When they search LLM model like ChatGPT, and then another like Perplexity, Copilot, your content is quickly ranked. Even your website is quickly ranked and you can get included. I think you understand why keyword strategy is so essential for every local business. And always remember, local SEO means you have any localhost you want to rank, it's easy. But if we say another mind like e-commerce SEO, SaaS SEO, software based SEO, it's very difficult. But local SEO is very easy. That's why you are covering and some effort. Then you can easily beat your computer because like this one, they are location. They are not specific address in this mesh field. They are basically covering this topic. That's what they are ranked. But if you your office main address, you are specifically address means you are located in this area, then you can easily read your computer because it's working relevancy. I think you're gonna understand why cross phrase is so essential. Thank you so much. Watch this video. I hope this video help for your website ranking. Thank you so much. Watch the video. Have a good day. Bye.